This 2-pack of work lights is a super handy tool to have when you're working on any project. This is really cool. My favorite function of this whole thing is that it has this built-in hook right onto the base of it. Now, it also has the ability to screw it into something, and then also has what can be as a handle or a stand, and it also turns 360 degrees around all the way. Super easy to function. Power button and your brightness. It's that easy. And it shows you on the back a key of the exact order that it'll be in, starting with a spotlight and then a 2700 K brightness, and then 6500, 4500, red light, and UV light. Now, and then it'll cycle all the way back through again as well. And now this is super handy when you're working on the car at night. You can just have it like that, and then you can turn it at any angle here to be able to see exactly what you're working on. So you can see right now it is like a great spotlight, and then you can change the color. It might help you with one brightness level or another. You can make it brighter, less bright. And just to show you here, so you have different modes here. And you have those colors that go up top. And then you also have the ability to change the brightness level. Now let me show you inside where it's darker, and you can see exactly how bright it really is. All right, here we go. I'm in a dark bathroom right now, and here we go. From this light, this is how bright it is. So as the actual spotlight itself there, but just overall illuminating the whole room. This is great if you lose power. This is great working on things in the night or anywhere where it's dark. Bright, medium brightness, and low brightness levels. And then you can change the colors. And then even the UV light right there. So really cool. You can even have different effects. You can use this, for Halloween with the blue light. Lots of different uses for these. And again, it comes as a 2-pack. So highly, highly recommend it. Thanks to the brand for providing this for me.